This is a dynamic microphone. Dynamic microphone has the following uses. We have number one, it's used in public speaking. We have events such as speeches, presentations, where such kind of microphone is used in recording voice. You have number two, instruments. So in instruments, we have it's used in live and audio sessions where it picks sounds for instruments. We also have number three, it's used in recordings. So in these recordings, it's used to collect sounds for drums and guitars, maybe in jam sessions, maybe you have a live band, and now they are placed in the instruments where sound is taken from each instrument to transmit to the speaker. Yes.
This is a condenser microphone. A condenser microphone is well known for its sensitivity and accuracy. Some of its other functions include live performances, as it is able to capture vocals. It is also used in broadcasting, as it has clear sound and can be used for voiceovers and podcasts.
This is a Lavilier microphone, also known as a lapel microphone. It is used as a microphone that records sound in close proximity. It is also used in its functions are some are like recording stuff on live broadcast. It also records interviews, and it is hands free, and it's usually clipped on the speaker's clothing. So yeah.